Hi guys, this is Abi from Gokche Design. In this video, you're going to learn how to match the subject with background in Adobe Photoshop. Let's start by duplicating your background layer. Next, bring in your image with the subject in it. Now use the Move tool to transform, adjust, and resize the model's image to your liking. Click on the Quick Selection tool from the left menu and then hit Select Subject. If necessary, use the plus/minus brushes to clean up the selection further. Next, click on the Add Layer Mask button. Now from the New Adjustment Layer menu, choose Curves. To restrict the changes just to the model's layer, click on the Clip button. With the curves thumbnail selected, hold the Alt or Option key and click on Auto. Select Find Dark and Light Colors and use the Shadows color picker to sample a dark color from the background. Click OK when you're happy with your selection. Repeat these steps for the highlights and the midtones color picker. Feel free to take as many samples as you like until you're happy with the results. Hit OK when done and select No when you see the option to save target colors as defaults. Next, select Color Balance from the New Adjustment Layer menu. Play around with the cyan, magenta, and yellow sliders for highlights, shadows, and midtones dropdown one at a time to fine-tune the model's colors even further. To restrict these changes just to the model's layer, don't forget to click on the Clip button. I'm going to bring in the Curves adjustment layer one more time and move it all the way to the top. To increase the contrast of the overall image, bring the curves line up a bit in the highlights area and down a bit in the shadows area. I'm also going to add a color lookup adjustment and choose Fall Colors Look from the Lookup table dropdown. This should bring everything together nicely. Feel free to play with the opacity slider to adjust the intensity. Finally, let's look at the before and after images. Looks good to me. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.